Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the subtitle settings in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape key on the keyboard or the menu button on the controller. This will take you here. From here, select Options, go to Audio, then Captions. Here you can enable or disable the subtitles and then customize them further. You can toggle on direction indicators for the speaking character, as you can see right here. There is the speaker name, which can be toggled on or off. There is emotion, in brackets. There are closed captions, as you can see. And there are gameplay captions. Right here. Under Readability is the subtitle size. You can change them between smaller, medium, larger or largest, as you can see. I'll stick with medium. There is background, and here you can change the opacity of the background, as you can see here. It goes in steps of 10 and goes as low as 10 and as high as 100. I will keep it I think something like 50. And of course you can change the background color. There is black, maroon, orange, yellow, green, blue, red, purple, violet, dark blue, magenta and white. It's easier to, I think it's easier if you simply open the drop-down menu and pick one of them. Of course there is also text color. It is, I think, the same. It goes white, maroon, orange, yellow, green, blue, red, purple, violet, dark blue, magenta and black. So the same as background color, but black and white are reversed in position. There is also white spacing. You can toggle this on or off to increase the spacing between letters. Once you are done customizing those settings, simply back out of this menu and close this menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.